My first unboxing.
Let's do your first unboxing. Good morning, everybody. I'm talking quiet because my boyfriend's still asleep. I had to wake up early because I put like a very early laser hair removal appointment this morning, and the reason I did that is because, well, I don't really even know what's the reason. Before I start getting into, I think this is the laser that we'll be using, but I'm gonna get more information about that in a second because I need to get all the info as well. I'm super comfy, as you can see, dressed, very comfy. This is for sure not a flattering angle, but while I'm doing this, I'm gonna be doing some stuff for tonight's Vlogmas and posting stories from last night. Guys, that is done. It's very quick because it's already like my 4th or 5th session. Basically, it's kind of like a maintenance. I always come, like I've always done it at the New Age Paris, so I don't know any other way, but I'm super happy because like I'm literally carefree and air-free. So it really helps. They have like the most advanced laser. This kind of laser, I don't know if you could see, but it like blows air while it's doing the laser so that it doesn't, like you don't feel any like any sensation. You just feel the cold air. Putting my shoes on, and that's quite nice. Also, like it doesn't matter if like, you know, whatever, like it doesn't matter. The only important thing is like that you are obviously like healthy. Like they always ask me like if I'm taking like some stuff, like how's my skin, the sun exposition, because like it's not great if you're like tanning. And that's basically it. I was gonna say, like, you know, for me personally, I'm not someone who loves to sit at beauty salons. Like I don't love to, like I don't enjoy, like this is not my hobby, you know. I go because I have to, not because I have to, but because I like to take care of myself and look good. But at the same time, it takes so much time from my schedule, time that I don't have because I have like a very busy work life and social life. So I always book my sessions like early in the morning at 9. By the time I'm done, and I can continue with my day, you know, like that's kind of, I cannot have like a beauty session at 2 p.m. unless it's a Sunday. But that's about it. We're done now. I'm gonna grab the coffee. I'm gonna also bring the coffee to my boyfriend, and we're going back to the hotel. Guys, currently on schedule, breakfast at Le Maurice. We have on menu porridge. We have granola with some berries, scrambled eggs, which I already tried and taste delicious, pastries, which my boyfriend already tried, and how are they? 1 to 10? You said illegal.
Illegal.
Then we have some jam, avo, coffees, fresh juice I already drank, and I'm literally gonna dig in. I don't wanna like be rude and show the guests here, but look at this salon. The salon is incredible, and the ceiling. I really love it here. It's so beautiful. Such a beautiful hotel. I changed my look because I was taking some pictures and I need to take some more pictures now as well. I'm trying to actually first motivate myself to go and take pictures. To go and pack, not to go and take pictures. I'm so lazy. All I want to do is have a nap now. I'm so tired as well. But that's not gonna happen. We have to go and pack everything, and guys, I cannot even show you the mess around, like clothes and things everywhere basically. I received something yesterday from Vuitton. It's not from Vuitton, well, it's something that I was searching from Louis Vuitton, but I couldn't find. It was sold out, so I got it from a personal shopper, as you will see here. She said, I hope you're enjoying the city of love, can't wait to see you in this skirt, you will look gorgeous in it, love Paris and Victoria from PH Luxury. So the PH Luxury is the personal shopper that managed to source the item for me, and I'll show it to you in a second. Guys, have I finished packing? No. It's 12 o'clock, checkout's at 12. There's so much to pack and so much to unbox and so much to show and so much to do that I feel I don't know how I'm gonna squeeze it all in. And my boyfriend's like, let's have a romantic lunch together at 1:30. And I'm like, it's 12. how am I gonna do all of that? So, just to give you a bit of insight, this is looking a little bit better. 2 bags are packed. We have 2 more to go. This is my workstation here that I'm like dealing with so many things over here. So I need to figure out how I'm gonna do it all. But what's the real tea is basically every single day I have to upload the YouTube video, like create all the like files and things, send them, receive them, like deal with them. So Vlogmas is taking a lot of time. Besides this, then there's like other stuff that I'm working on, like projects and Instagram stuff, and you know, like just trying to figure out how to do everything. And then what I'm gonna do is like I really recommend you guys check out also my Instagram, because I worked on so many reels as well throughout this Paris stay, so you will see many of them over there, and the TikTok. But I think now I should show you what's inside of the LV box. I just unboxed it. This was the skirt that was in the box. I think it's so beautiful. It's basically like wool skirt, like really nice structured, with obviously very big LV logo, and gray and white. I love color gray. I think it suits me very much. And also at the back, this is what it looks like. Super, super cute. This was sourced for me by PH Luxury because I could not find it anywhere. It's like sold out because it's so beautiful and I can't wait to wear it. So I'm packing this right away. For my boyfriend for Christmas, which is why I didn't really vlog anything, and I couldn't vlog it because he loves to watch my Vlogmas, so he would know what it is because it's very niche. And I shouldn't even say that. Okay, I'll just leave it. Oh, one more thing I wanted to say is I am a terrible gift giver. I love to give gifts so much more than to receive them. So for me, it's always very, very hard to wait for the Christmas day. So now that I bought a gift, I just want to give it to him right away. But there's still, what, like more than a week until Christmas, and it's gonna be like, it's gonna burn a hole in my pocket to give it to him. I literally cannot wait. Okay, lunchtime. We have 2 carrot orange ginger. I feel like this is just carrot ginger, by the way. Have you tried it?
Yeah, it is only carrot ginger.
Oh, it's only carrot ginger, because I don't even like carrot juice.
No?
No.
But this you like it?
Kinda.
It's very good.
Yeah, I have a question for you. Would you like your Christmas gift now?
No.
No, I really want to give it to you now.
Well, too bad.
But do you want now?
No.
But why not?
Yes, I want it now.
I'm so excited, guys. I suck at this so much. We ordered some pasta. We don't have much time because we have to go to the airport, so that's the deal. And last few moments at Le Maurice. We're just getting our luggage loaded. I think it's such a beautiful place. My boyfriend was saying it's one of his favorite hotels, and it is really beautiful, really stunning. That's it. Off to Charles de Gaulle we go. We're flying to home. We had a very weird negative experience at the check-in, very weird. And then my boyfriend said, let's walk in Hermes because I want to try something. And we're having a really great experience here. I'm still eyeing this hat that I really, really, really love. And even more so now with my outfit. Let's see how much it is. $4.95. Okay. It's actually not so bad. I mean, I really like this hat. It's amazing. So currently we're repacking and unpacking because we have so many things, and my boyfriend just told the lady, the tripod we will leave with you. He's in a very funny mood. But we have this and we have all of this. So it's quite challenging. I'm not gonna lie. And then I also have my handbag. And we arrived. The only annoying thing when coming in Linate is that you always have to take this bus to come to the terminal. But it's all good. It feels like home. Guys, we made it to our home, current home, right? And the trip was very intense, don't you think?
No, maybe it wasn't intense. It was actually very nice.
I think it was very intense. Listen to me. Basically, first things first, we had like issues at checkout, some kind of issues which prolonged it. Then we went through, like actually the plane was nice, but the boarding was really long and the plane was empty.
Oh, we did it, we had 2 burgers.
Are they in date? I do feel like a burger.
Maybe,
Obviously beyond meat.
But we need to wait to...
Defrost them?
Yeah.
No, we don't.
Why?
Because we have microwave.
Yeah, but that's not okay. Is it?
Of course.
Can we do that?
Yeah, you put it on defrost. Domestic.
But we don't
Such
have
a domestic
avocado.
house.
And we don't have
Yeah.
salad.
I think I'm just gonna like Deliveroo.
Well, I can go to the supermarket now.
You know what? I think it's never gonna happen that I go to supermarket now. Never. This was my travel outfit. Well, you've kind of seen it today. The Kate top, the Margiela jeans that I wore, I think 5 out of 7 days this week, and my new sneakers that I love so much because actually they're very comfy and so cool. So cool. Yeah, when we landed, I got petrified. Petrified because the landing was really scary. Thank you so much. How did you know that that's exactly what I wanted? I'm trying to give me what I want, but not to be in the frame. You're gonna spill everywhere. Grazie.
Prego.
So then we landed. It was really aggressive landing. I spoke to a girl. She was wearing like a Birkin 40, which looked insane. I got so inspired by her, by the way, because I would love to have a Birkin like that for traveling. It was amazing, no?
It was, yeah.
For traveling, you know, it fits everything. Then I spoke in Italian to her. She didn't speak English. Actually, you know, when I'm not with you, I speak in Italian all the time, out and about the city.
Which is good.
Yes. Now we arrived. Am I gonna unpack tonight? I don't know, but for sure I'm gonna wash my hair and shower. This is the little update. The Christmas tree, because we don't have a Christmas tree. Christmas tree would have been there, but we don't have it. We just have this.
But wait, there is one thing that is missing the Christmas tree.
What is missing?
This one.
What you gave me? What you just gave me?
No, but maybe shall I do my first unbox?
What do you mean? You're unboxing?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is my first unboxing.
Let's do your first unboxing. Such an influencer, huh?
No. Wow. How does it do? Wait. I do as you do.
Okay, go. Let's see. Don't do like that. I don't do it like that. Oh, wow. It's an advent calendar, huh?
Oh, let's see.
Can you tell the brand? No, I don't do like that. This is like not a good copy. I create so much more mess, first of all. It's really beautiful. Also, I never put things back together as it should be.
I'm just trying to teach you.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my god.
See the Christmas tree. You wanted the Christmas tree.
Yeah, but I don't have the Christmas tree.
Here we go.
We just have some gifts.
Which day is this? Today?
Like 16, I think. It's here. I can see it.
Shall we open it?
Yes, there's like a patent. Can you see? Like away.
See, I don't have nails.
You don't need nails.
I do. I can't.
Ti aiuto.
Wait, I got it.
Aspetta un attimo. Sì.
Wow, a pair of earrings.
It's a Christmas tree decoration. So
Which,
put it on our Christmas tree.
Is going here.
Why don't you put it on our Christmas tree? Where? Okay, cute. This is actually the Louis Vuitton advent calendar, which I think is absolutely stunning. But it's not something that they sell. Let me just read it here. Okay, here it says, in line with Louis Vuitton's environmental commitments, this advent calendar has been developed using an eco-design approach. But that's not what I wanted to show. What I wanted to show is that actually this advent calendar is basically, Louis Vuitton has donated money to UNICEF for every person that they sent it to. And I believe it's $70 to those in need. and obviously Louis Vuitton, you know, they do like Make a Promise and all of those efforts to help children. So I really like that. Your Christmas gift is in my bag. You sure you don't want to see it?
It's not.
But listen, what we could do, we could just give each other Christmas presents now.
No, we don't. We don't. The Christmas is sacred.
But I really want to give you your gift now.
Well, it's too bad because you can't.
But
Christmas
I can't.
is on the 24th.
But I can't wait.
First of all, it's not you that is giving me the Christmas, but it's Santa Claus coming.
But were you a good boy this year?
But I was the best. I'm even unpacking your bag.
It's true.
You know?
Thank you so much.
What
You are
is
the best. Okay, the hair. Is it gonna stop flickering? I hope so. Well, the hair is washed. That's one thing I can say. I put on the biggest, the coziest, the comfiest, the warmest cashmere set. I will link it below. It's the one that I got just before the trip. It's so cozy and warm. I'm gonna dry the hair now. We ordered 2 poke bowls for dinner because we love poke and because obviously my boyfriend doesn't feel like cooking and we all know that I don't cook. It's very like 9:30, 10 p.m. I feel. I don't know. It's just I feel like it. Tomorrow I'm going to have like quite a few things. I'll probably swing by the office. I have to get my nails done. Cannot wait. And right now I'm just gonna dry my hair. And while watching poke, we're also going to, while eating poke, we are gonna watch Britney documentary on Netflix because I love Britney. I couldn't be more excited to get cozy on here. And this is my poke bowl. I've got cauliflower rice, salmon, avocado, red cabbage and tomato, and I'm so excited to eat this.